This is a super easy Easter-style brunch, lunch, or dinner you could serve this weekend or any other weekend in spring. We're starting with a spiral sliced ham. This is an 8-pound ham. It's beautiful quality. The ham just kind of falls apart, and you can serve it really easy at the table. So we need to do something to make this our own, right? Because most of the work's been done. So we're gonna make a really simple lemon vodka glaze to put on the ham. For an 8-pound ham, we're going to roast this at about 325 for 2 hours. I put it in the oven, let it get going, and then about every 20 to 30 minutes, you're going to baste it with the glaze we're gonna make. For the glaze, which is equally delicious, you could pour it over a roast pork or over a couple of roast chickens or even a roast turkey breast. It's just a delicious, easy lemon glaze. You start with a couple tablespoons of butter and 2 medium or 1 large shallot, and you cook that out until it's just tender, so the shallot becomes soft and translucent. Then we're going to add 1 cup of vodka. It gives it a lovely acidity. It's very light. Plus, you can have it for cocktails the rest of the morning. Then we're going to add half a jar of grainy Dijon, about a 1/4 cup, and 1 full jar of lemon marmalade or lemon curd. It's what gives you the pectin and the sweetness. And you're going to add about a cup of chicken stock to give it a depth of flavor, but then you have to cook the stock back out to thicken the glaze. That's why you let the ham start roasting and thicken up a bit to get that flavor concentration going. Then we're going to take a fat handful of chopped rosemary, and you make this insanely gorgeous, super easy, delicious mustard lemon glaze. Hey guys, so I'm dousing this ham that's been roasting for almost 2 hours now, but you're gonna do it every 20 to 30 minutes with your lemon rosemary mustard glaze. Yeah, it is good. And if you're not serving ham like we're serving roast chickens this year, it's equally delicious on a roast pork or roast chickens. I'm gonna pop this back in. Or a lovely whole turkey breast would be great. Let him finish. We made a very simple lemon rosemary glaze, equally delicious on chickens or roast turkey if you're not into the ham thing.